I always wanted to see Statue of Liberty, Leaning Tower of Pisa, Eiffel Tower with my own eyes, but for that you need to travel an average of 24 hours from one country to another. But what if I said we can travel instantly? I mean using teleportation. I know it may sound mythical, magical, hypothetical, but it's true. In today's modern world, scientists have performed this experiment over 1,000 times using photons. In 2017, Chinese scientists were able to teleport a photon from Earth to a satellite situated in low Earth orbit. Teleportation means dematerializing a body from one place to materializing a body at another place. But what scientists obtained was quantum teleportation, in which quantum information of particle is transferred without any medium. The no cloning and no deleting theorem says us that quantum information neither be copied nor be destroyed. Quantum teleportation works on a principle called quantum entanglement. All the fundamental particles in the universe have spin. They don't actually spin, they possess an angular momentum and an inclination in space. Upon measuring the spin, we get 50% of outcomes of either upspin or downspin unless observed by an observer. If one state is upspin, the other state will be of downspin. Quantum particles are entangled where particles have opposite spin and a single wave function. That is, they are forced to a mutually exclusive state even across vast distances. So if we know the state of one, then ultimately we will know the state of another. Quantum teleportation and computers works on qubits. The difference between qubits and bits is that bits can be 0 or 1, but qubits can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously. This is the reason why quantum computers are faster. Let's understand quantum teleportation. Imagine I had to transfer a photon C between me and the viewer of this video. For that, we need to entangle particles A and B. Suppose A is with me and B is with you. After measuring, if I had found A as upspin, then ultimately the wave will be of downspin. We would be using qubits and quantum computers to obtain the quantum information of C we got from B, and hence by manipulating we can make the perfect clone of photon C. After this, the entangle between A and B breaks, and hence B has the state of photon C. We can say that we teleported the photon. Particle B has a quantum state of photon C that we have teleported, and hence we can say that we teleported the photon C between me and you. With the current technology, human teleportation is not possible since human body is made up of billions of atoms. With the advancement of technology in quantum teleportation, we can say that the future technology of internet and quantum computers can be hacking proof and very fast. Thank you.